Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my students. Alright, good morning. Okay, let me check your attendance first. Okay, I can see there is Rahimi, Ikmal, Pak Izzuddin, Sazliana, and also Fatini. Alright, seems like everyone is already joining my class. Okay, let me ask you guys. Did you already eaten?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes.
Not
Yes, already.
Not yet?
Yes.
Why?
Sorry.
Okay.
Because I don't have any food.
Oh, really? You can take a slice of bread to give you energy, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, how about others? Did you already take your breakfast?
Yes, nasi goreng.
Yes, Miss.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You eat nasi goreng?
Yes.
I eat
That's
Yummy.
burger.
yummy.
I
Oh,
eat.
okay. Okay, I'm very grateful that everyone is take your breakfast except for Sazjana. Please take your breakfast, okay? Please remember, take your breakfast before enter your class. Alright? Okay. Before we start our learning, I would like to show you something. Okay, can you see the object in my hand? If you don't see clearly, you can always pin my screen. Okay? Alright?
Okay.
Okay. I want to ask you guys, what the object in my hand right now?
Rehan.
Rehan. Family Rehan.
Yes, that's correct. You guys are very clever, okay? I can see you are very energetic. Alright. Now, in this Rehal, what do you guys think that we are going to learn?
Carving.
Carving maybe?
Carving? Yes, that's true. We are going to learn about carving. And also,
Pattern.
yes, we are going to learn about pattern.
Wood
You can
carving.
see. Yes, that's correct, Faiz. We are going to learn about wood carving. We are going to learn about pattern. So you already knew that we are going to learn about carving. So let me share my slide first. Okay, can you see my slide?
On the way, Miss.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. We are going to learn about visual art, which is in topic 7. Okay, topic 7, which is wood carving or carving. Okay, we jump into our learning outcome. Okay, first, student will be able to explain about principle of ukiran. Two, student will be able to know about the materials and tools for ukiran. Third, student be able to know about motif, type, and polar of ukiran. 4, students will be able to sketch the motif of ukiran. Okay, now I'm going to go to the next slide, which is the introductions of ukiran. Okay, ukiran is our traditional ornaments that we can find. We can find ukiran at traditional house and also palace. Okay, besides traditional house and palace, find carving. Do you guys know?
Yes, mosque.
Oh yes, that's true. That's true, Faiz. Anyone?
Gate.
Yes, that's true, Fatini. Anyone?
Ornaments.
Alright, that's true. It also can be seen at mosques, gates, arches, ornament, musical instrument, weaponry, cooking utensils, and also transportations. Okay, please jot down in your notebook that each motif must have its own philosophy or meaning. Alright, now we move into our next slide, which is aspect of visual art language in ukiran. Okay, before we go further, I would like you to refer to your textbook in page 140 and 141 to see a clear image of this ukiran here. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Miss.
Alright. In art, we must consider elements and principles before we make our artwork. Okay, in this image, we can see there is element and principles. Okay, there is line, it also have shape, it also have form, space, texture. You can see the texture here, you can see the harmony, and also you can see the rhythm and movement, right? Can you see the rhythm and movement here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And you also can see the unity. Alright, now we move on into tools and materials. Okay, I will go with tools first. You can also refer the functions of tools in the textbook, which is in page 142. We go to the name of the tools. Okay, this is we call as jigsaw. This is we call as chisel. This is we call as small saw. This is we call as wooden panel. This is we call as pisau wali. And this we call as wooden mallet. And this is kikir pari. And this is getar or we call as cetar. And this is we call as mempelas. Okay, mempelas is one of the nature that the sculptor used to smooth the surface of woods. Okay, do you have any idea what tools that we use nowadays? to smooth woods, the surface of woods?
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper.
Yes, that's correct. It works like sandpaper. Yes, thank you. Now we move into materials. Okay, in wood carving, the main material is woods. Wood selections are very crucial, are very important. Okay, usually the sculptor they search for type of wood that have characteristic like dry woods, oaks, have a clay vein, and also have fine woods. Okay, so there is four types of woods that usually the sculptor use, which is kayu meranti merah, kayu cengal, kayu merbau, and also kayu jeluto. Okay, next page here, we can see there is three items. So you can see there is a brush, varnish, and also shellac. These three items, it works for finishing materials. Okay, it is a finishing materials to make the wood carving look more attractive and also to make it more durable. Okay. Okay, now we move into other subtopic, which is motif in carving. Okay, the sculptor create motif from natural elements in their surrounding, which is floral, fauna, cosmic, geometry, and also calligraphy. Yes. Okay, we take a look at the motif flora here. Okay, guys, when we talk about motif flora, what did came into your mind first when we talk about floral?
Flower.
Flower.
Yes.
Leaves.
Flower.
Yes,
Tree.
that's correct.
Tree.
Beautiful
Yes.
flowers.
Plant.
Yes. Yes, you're very clever. Thank you. All right. Yes, this is true. Motif flora, it came from elements of plants, which is flowers, leaf, and many more. Now we move into motif fauna. When we talk about fauna, we all know that fauna is animals, right?
Yes,
Right?
miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay, fauna. The sculptor use shape of animals to create a motif in carving. Okay, but they take a shape of animals then make it abstract. Okay, you can see here in this picture, you guys still can see the shape of animals, right?
Yes.
Yes. Interesting.
Yes, that is very interesting, right? Okay, you still can see the image of animals, but is this not the same as a shape, an original shape of animals, right? Now we move into motif cosmic. Okay, you can see there is motif cosmic here. Okay, motif cosmic, one of the natural elements, which is the elements from clouds, sun. We can see it from mangrove. We can see from wave. You can see from stars and many more. Okay, I would like you to see in this picture here. You can see the picture clearly?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Who want to guess the element that in this picture?
Okay, miss. I can see this a movement of a cloud.
Wow, that's correct, Rahimi. Okay, how about this? Anyone?
I think it is elements of sun.
Yes, that's correct. It is an element of sun. Okay, thank you, Rahimi and Faiz. Alright, now I would like to explain about motif geometry. Okay, motif geometry is a combination between a shape, which is a circle and triangle. Okay, we can see here the combination between circles and triangle is being arranged in parallel and repeated to show a neat result. Okay. Okay, this geometry shape is said to be parallel to the elements of Islamic geometry. Okay, now we move into calligraphy. Motif calligraphy is taken from Arabic and Jawi script from Quran. Okay, these motifs are often can be found in mosque, surau, house, door house, and also rehal. Okay, now we move into pola for carving. Do you guys know what is pola?
No.
Maybe the pattern.
No.
No, you don't know what is pola?
No, I'm not quite sure.
No.
Pola is pattern. Okay, you can jot down in your notebook. Alright, we have three type of pattern, which is pola bujang, pola pemidang, and also pola pelengkap. Alright, we go one by one. Alright. Okay, we go to the pola bujang. Pola bujang is known as pola putu. Okay, can you guys tell me why do we call it as pola bujang? Why not we call it as pola flowers?
I think it is single maybe.
Yes, single. What single? What do you guys can see in this
The ornament.
image?
The ornaments, the patterns.
Yes, that's
The flower
true.
is single.
Yes.
Pattern. The motif of in this pattern are single. You can see the difference between this and this. There is a one single motif in the middle. right? Mostly it takes from motif of floral, cosmic, and other object. Are you guys still with me, right?
Yes. Okay, Miss.
Alright,
Yes.
thank you. Okay, now we move into pola pemidang. Pola pemidang is known as pola bingkai. Alright, pola bingkai. Why do we call it as pola bingkai? It is because it has a frame. And please remember that pola pemidang have a simple motif and also repetition motif. You can see there is a repetition motif and a simple motif here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Pola pelengkap, we call it as pola induk. This is a perfect sculptural form in terms of motif and also arrangement. Now we move into type of carving. The one subtopic and then we are going to take a 5-minute break, okay? Bear with me, okay?
Alright, Miss. Thank you. Yay. Thank you, Miss.
Alright, okay. Now we move into type of carving. Alright, type of carving. We have 5 type of carving. Ukiran layang. Ukiran layang here in this image, it can be seen that it is impermeable and does not have embossed pattern. And you can see in this picture, it only have a scratch on the surface of wood, right? Okay, the background is not perforated and have a simple design. This kind of ukiran, it only have we can find this type of ukiran at our furniture, right? Okay, now we move into ukiran tebuk timbul bersilat. Ukiran tebuk timbul bersilat is it is the same as ukiran layang, which is the background is not perforated, but the motif will emboss and have silat. Okay, you can see the difference between this ukiran and also this ukiran, right?
Yes, there's a quiet difference.
Yes,
Yes.
there's a very quite different, right? Alright. What is silat? Silat is the curve, the smooth curve here. You can see the smooth curve here, right? Between this image and this image, this ukiran look so rough, right?
Yes, I can see.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this type of ukiran we can find it at doors and also the pillar of our traditional house. Okay, next type of carving, which is the ukiran tebuk timbul without silat. Okay, ukiran tebuk timbul without silat, it is the same as ukiran tebuk timbul bersilat. Okay, the background is also not perforated, but the motif are embossed, but it doesn't have silat. It is a flat. You can see there's a very rough motif here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. Now we move into ukiran tebuk tembus bersilat. Ukiran tebuk tembus bersilat, it have silat and does not have wood background. You can see there is hole here and you can see through it. Okay, you can see from the front and also back. It will give you a same view, but it have silat and the motif is embossed. Okay. Now we move into ukiran tebuk tembus without silat. From this image, we can see this ukiran doesn't have silat, right? Motif here look very rough and also flat. Okay, but the background between these two and these two image are same. I will give you a 5-minute break, okay? But before that, please give me a big smile first.
Like this?
Yes.
This.
Yes, thank you.
Sorry, Miss, for the fake smile.
It's okay. Okay.
Thank you,
Alright.
Miss.
After this 5-minute break, we will proceed into our activity lesson. Okay. Hi, you guys.
Hey,
Hi,
Miss.
Miss.
Are you feeling better right now?
Yes.
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 Okay, good. That's very good news. I'm going to give you a game, but it is a quiz. So I would like you to go in our chat box here, paste the link at the chat box. So you can at the chat box and click the link to enter the activity session.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, now let's start the game. Okay, one in count of three. 1, 2, 3. Do your best, okay? Alright. Let's start the race. I can sense who is the winner. Wow.
Wow, hello, congrats.
Hello, congrats.
Congrats. Hello.
Hello.
Congrats, hello.
Nana. You're
Good
very
also,
good
everyone.
job. Okay, give a big clap to all of you, okay? I will give you a gift. You excited?
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Sounds
What kind of
good.
gift? I'm excited.
Alright. Okay, we'll be back into our slides. Okay, can you see your gift here?
Wow, very
Oh,
good.
Miss.
So this is your gift.
Oh, Miss.
Wow.
So we cannot live with the assignment, okay? Okay, don't worry, this is a very simple assignment. Okay, I will explain to you. Okay, step 1, please prepare A3 paper, ruler, pencils, and pencil color or any media. like watercolor. And then step 2, create 5 tables or block in size 6 times 8 cm. And then step 3, imitate from your textbook, which is the motif that we learned today. Draw 5 motifs that we learned today with pencils. And then step 4, color it using pencil color or watercolor. Then label the motif. Okay, this is the example. You can see the example that I'm
Yes.
showing right now.
It's beautiful.
Yes, Miss.
After you're done with your assignment, please attach or upload in our class Padlet. Alright, for recap. Okay, do you have any questions in regarding our lesson today?
No, so far I'm
No,
okay.
Miss.
So far,
No.
not yet.
No,
Miss.
Not yet,
Okay.
Miss.
Oh,
So far, I'm
really?
okay.
So because of you guys are very clever and awesome, I will give you a question. The question is, what did you get from our lesson today?
Definition?
Wood
Yes, that's
carving.
true. Yes, that's true, Faiz. We learned
Type
about,
of pola.
yes, type of
Tools
polar.
and material.
Yes, that's true. Okay, that's it. We learn about definitions of ukiran. We learn about motif. We learn about materials and tools. We learn about type of polar. We learn about type of ukiran.
Yes.
Okay, now it's already the end of our lesson. I know that you are very happy right now, right?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Okay, it's okay. You can give me a big smile, right?
Alright.
Sure, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, before we end our lesson, I would like to thank to you guys because you are very fantastic. You give a very good attention in my class and the engagement is very good. Before I end this session, I would like to remind you guys to don't forget your assignment, okay? Scan from our QR code here or you can click the link. If you don't find the link and QR code, I will attach it at our WhatsApp group, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Alright.
Okay,
Okay,
understood,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay,
Understood.
bye.
Thank you, Miss.
you.
Thank you
Bye.
for
the great
today, Miss.
lesson.